Hi friends, let me show you this new smartwatch that I received for reviewing purposes. It is the GTS5 smartwatch, and it will connect with your phone and with your health applications to register and report a lot of information about your activities, okay? You can connect it to Android or iOS, and these are the basic functions that you will get: heart rate, pressure, MET activity, sleep, sport modes, watch face center, message notification, exercise data, and easy charging system, because you get this charging cable. It has a proprietary docking here to charge it. It has this proprietary charging docking station, and you can charge it in any USB-A port. So it's easy to use it. Okay, let's open. As you can see, it's a pretty unit. In the back, it has all the sensors to check your vital signs. Okay, you can see it's a nice watch. It has different information in the watch face, and you can link it with the RunMe Fit application. Okay, let's do it. Ready. So now it is connected to my phone, to my application, and here it will record all of my activities. So it is a nice way to have your information in your phone. You can even answer phone calls here. You can do different activities. You can play music. Okay, let's try that. As you can see, I can control my phone's music. With my watch. I could even check the weather, and all these applications will run easily in my watch. So I think it's a great companion for my phone, and it will record all of my activities. So it is a nice looking watch, and it has really nice applications that work seamlessly together with your phone. Perfect option. Thank you.